Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to tear apart one of the most famous pieces of advice you've ever heard. And I'll show you why it's not exactly wrong, but it's definitely not the whole story. Stick around and you'll walk away with a totally new way to think about success. You've heard this a million times, right? Work smarter, not harder. It's so catchy. It sounds like the secret key to unlocking all our productivity goals. The idea is simple. There's got to be a shortcut, a better way if we just, think a little more. But is that really the whole picture? I mean, what if that simple little phrase is actually setting up a trap, a false choice that's actually stopping you from reaching your full potential? That's what we're going to dig into. Okay, let's dive right in. The whole smarter, not harder thing, it's kind of a myth. And to see why, we first have to understand the mental trap it sets for us. So here's the real problem with it. That phrase, work smarter, not harder, it literally pits effort against strategy. It makes them sound like enemies, like you have to choose a side. It's like, oh, you're working hard, you must not be very smart then. But that's just wrong. The truth is, these two things are supposed to be best friends, not rivals. And when you do fall into that trap, when you pick just one side of the equation, you end up in a real jam. It leads to two totally different problems. But guess what? They're both equally bad for getting things done. So you've got two traps. Trap number one, all hard work, zero strategy. You're basically a hamster on a wheel. You're running and running, leading to total burnout and exhaustion. And for what? You're not getting any closer to your goals. So frustrating. Then there's trap number two, all smart work, no action. This is what we call analysis paralysis. You're planning forever, making spreadsheets, whiteboarding, but you never actually do anything. It's just a graveyard of great ideas. Okay, so if either or is the wrong way to think, then what's the right way? What's the real formula for success that actually works? Well, the secret isn't in choosing one, it's in combining them. Let's start by giving hard work its due. Think of it as the engine in your car. It's the raw power. It's that consistent, dedicated grind that builds momentum and discipline. Honestly, without that engine, the most beautiful, perfectly designed car in the world is just a fancy sculpture sitting in a garage. It's not going anywhere. And then, of course, you've got smart work. If hard work is the engine, smart work is your GPS, your navigation system. It's the strategy that tells the engine where to go. It makes sure all that incredible power is aimed at the right destination. It's the difference between just driving and driving with a purpose. And right here, this is where the magic happens. Real, lasting success isn't about choosing. It's about combining. It's when you take the raw horsepower of hard work and you pair it with the precision guidance of smart work. What do you get? You get purposeful success. You get to move forward, you get real growth, but you don't burn out in the process. It's the best of both worlds. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, but how do we actually do this? Let's break it down into something super practical, a framework you can start using like tomorrow. The first thing you have to do is change your mindset. So many of us think that being busy is the same as being productive. It's not. I mean, you can be busy all day long and achieve nothing. The real goal isn't just to do stuff. It's to make sure that the stuff you're doing is actually moving you closer to where you want to go. And here's a simple little 3-step process to get you started. Step 1, figure out your priorities. Seriously, what actually matters? Step 2, use smart techniques to work on those things. And step 3, find that balance. Know when it's time to put your head down and grind, and when it's time to pull back, look at the map and make a plan. And when I say smart techniques, I'm not talking about some weird, complicated theory. This is real, practical stuff. We're talking about managing your time well. We're talking about making sure you're working on the right things, not just more things. It's about knowing the rhythm of when to push and when to plan. Basically, it's just taking a moment to think before you jump into action. So let's wrap this up. What's the main point of all this? How can we take this idea and really use it to build our own success story? I want you to think about your life's work, your career, your passions, whatever, like you're constructing a building. Hard work, that's you mixing the concrete, laying the foundation, putting up the walls, brick by brick. It's the structure. But smart work, that's the architect's blueprint. It's the vision. It ensures that all those bricks come together to create a masterpiece, not just a random pile. See, you can't have one without the other. So this becomes our new motto, a much better one, I think. It's not about ditching hard work at all. It's about making it better. It's about taking all that effort and injecting it with purpose and strategy so that you can create something that really, truly matters. So I'll leave you with this one last thought to chew on. From now on, don't ask yourself, should I work harder or smarter? Instead, ask, how can I do both? Just pick one thing, one task on your to-do list for tomorrow. And before you start, just think for a second. How can I pour my best effort into this while also using the best strategy? Because that's where the real magic, the real progress truly begins.